how would I know where my interest lies? Do you have any advice on that?
I think the easiest way to find out your interest is one that you reach out to people from those sectors and industry and try to have a one-on-one session with them. The fact is, most students are very hesitant in reaching out to people through a cold email on LinkedIn or through a cold call. While what I have seen in my career throughout is that most people are very happy to help if students reach out to them, especially if they're not dead to work. So you have to be respectful of the other people's time. That you take a proper appointment, ask for some time for them to explain the kind of job profile and work that they do. So if you, let's say, you have interest in fintech, you have interest in product management, and you have interest in growth roles in startups, right? And you want to understand the difference between the three. So the easiest way is to identify three top companies from each of the three sectors and reach out to 10 people for each of the three roles. So now you have to talk to 30 people in total. Once you've given 1 hour each with these 30 people, these 30 hours of learning will allow you to have a very broad and in-depth understanding of the kind of opportunities and the kind of day-to-day work and challenges that these people are going through. So this gives you a basic filter in terms of what you want. The second obvious way is that when you're talking to these people after you've made your mind that probably out of these 30, maybe let's say there are 3 or 4 sectors or industries and areas that interest you, you try and do an internship. That could be a part-time internship, excluding your 2 month summer internship that you do in your MBA, or a live project with these companies. A lot of companies are very happy to have students, especially those who have reached out to them through cold outreach, right? Because it shows that you're interested in that particular area and that company. So people are very happy to have you. So internships after talking to people is by far the best way to understand the culture as well as the day-to-day challenges of any work. I don't think there's any way better than an internship that allows you to make a decision that you want to do X and you do want to do Y.